Let's do a video here of this is a Nissan Qashqai and it's 2018, and to show where the reversion fuses will be located for this car, and that's in behind this. So we need to take off the air pipe, and we need to take off then this cap here, and then there's another one underneath that. So I'm going to remove this first. So let's do a 10mm bolt. Remove this. Take this off first of all. And then remove these two clips here, and they just pop out from the center like so, and take the two of them out. And they come out easy enough, simple like that. So next job is pull up this clip here, and this slides up, so just like that. That gives us access to the fuse box. And we pop it open here with these four. There's two there and two there. And we just open it up like so. And then underneath there's another one. And this one comes out with another 4 clips. So I'll just get that. I need to do that with 2 hands. See? Reverse lamp. It's a 10 amp. So let's flip this. Now, here we have behind this 3 fuses, and it's this 10 amp, the third one, the 10 amp fuse. So let's pull it out and see what it looks like. Hold it up to the light. There's this on the camera. You can see that, that's gone. So there's blown fuse. So a 10 amp fuse is located in behind this one here. Very important, be gentle with this and careful, whatever you do. And replace that fuse and your reverse bulbs will work again. Please subscribe, leave a comment, and hope this video is helpful. Take care. Halfords, packet of fuses, let's throw one in, see that we get reverse lights. Yeah, put it in, quite simple. Same as it come out. There we go. Now let's go to the back and see. You go reverse. Reverse, yeah. Reverse?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Reverse. Up.
Go.
No. Over.
Show.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's fine. There we go. That's it. Perfect. That's how it's done.